Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to use skins with a transparent or semi-transparent menu background, and how to create the automatic menu and logo color change. We've already dedicated a video to the skins, so we know that skins are two completely different color presets you can use while building your website to ensure contrasts. Light skin refers to dark text on a light background, while dark skin refers to light text on a dark background. The skins presets can be configured by the theme options Customize. Then, apply to various elements of the layout, for example to the menu. Or applied via the column settings when using the page builder. If you haven't seen the first video dedicated to skins, I suggest you check it before proceeding with this second part of the video. Let's see here an example of a light header and an example of a dark header. As you can see, if you have a transparent or semi-transparent background menu, the menu and logo must change color to contrast with the background. If you use a transparent or semi-transparent menu, Uncode detects the skin you are using for the header, and if needed, it will switch the menu skin to ensure optimal contrast. Since in Uncode it's possible to create page headers with different methods, let's review them one by one and see how to declare the skins for each method. If you are using a basic header, the skin setting is inside the basic header options. Please note that the basic header can be edited both by the theme options and by the page options. In this example, we work it with the page options. In the basic header background option, I have a light image, so I set the light skin option to ensure the logo and menu have correct coloration. I save the page and open it. There you go. As you can see, the menu and logo perfectly match the background image. Now I go back to the page options header and I set a different background image. In this case, it's a dark image. I also set a 50% dark overlay. And I changed the skin to dark. I save the page, refreshing it. Perfect. Uncode now uses a dark skin setup that is based on a white logo and menu items on a semi-transparent purple background. Now that we've figured out how to work with the basic header, let's move on to the content block header, which is one of the most versatile methods. The content block method is widely used in Uncode, and especially for the creation of headers. To get started, let's set a content block header in our page options. Now that the content block is connected, let's edit it. It's possible to use the back-end or front-end editor. I opt for the back-end editor. And here we are. Note that in these examples I'm using the back-end builder to get a schematic overview, but all these options are available even if you use the front-end editor. Our page is now using a dark skin header. Let's modify it to have a light skin header. First, I changed the main background image of the row with a light image. I also remove the dark overlay color. Now I have to change the skin of the main column container. In fact, if you are using a content block, the transparent menu skin is inherited by the skin applied to the main column container. So I open the column settings and navigate to the Style tab. Here I can change the skin from dark to inherit. This means inherited from the theme options, or to light. Since in the theme options the general value is light, I can use inherit. Let's save the content block. Refresh the page. Here it is. Our new light skin header, the logo and menu adapts automatically, and they play smooth together. Let's make a note. If, as this example, your header is designed to have more columns, you need a main column container that acts as a container to apply the skin. Thanks to the page builder, you can create an inner row to accommodate your columns and apply the skin to the main outer column container. Let's explore the automatic menu and logo color change with a header slider. So move to the page options, set a slider content block example, and open it. If you're using a content block with content slider module with multiple slides, you can set the skin independently for each slide in the inner column settings. In this example, I have 3 slides. Each slide has a different skin. In the column settings of the first slide, I set the inherit or light skin value, while the second and the third have the dark skin. I save the content block. I refresh the page. Here we are. You can see here that the logo and the menu change colour according to slides. Uncode switches between light and dark skins, depending on the column skin option you use to grant contrast. Here again, please look at the menu and logo colour change. These are the skins in action, and it's pretty cool. If you are using Slider Revolution plugin and you need to create the colour change effect as for the header content block, please apply the data-skin equals open quote dark close quote or data-skin equals open quote light close quote for any slide you have in the tags and links HTML data options of the Slider Revolution slider editor. If you are using Layer Slider plugin, you need to apply the colour change effect. Please set, in the custom slide properties, the key option to the word skin and in the value option, the word of the skin dark or light. In these 2 videos, we've seen the major applications of skins, from templates part like the menu and footer, to simple page builder contents, to advanced elements like the posts module, and finally, how to use with different types of headers. Don't underestimate the power of skins, because they will be a key element of your layouts, and you will use them several times during the creation of each page and each website.